Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the error json.decoder.JSONDecodeError expecting value line 1 column 1 cat 0. This is the error I am getting it when I'm trying to run my program in Python, which is trying to run the Flask server. But before that could happen, I am facing this error. When I check this line where I am trying to uh, decode a JSON file in this line number, I try to figure out why this is happening. So first thing is the file which was having the JSON value was blank. So what I did is I just created the file and gave some sample values to see if this error is getting resolved, and I saved it, and then after that I was not getting that JSON decode error, so I was getting a different error which I have resolved it by doing the import properly, and finally I was able to run the Flask server, and that is how I have solved it. So for you, I mean, you can get this error if you have a JSON. You're reading it from somewhere else, but it is not coming in a proper format. So you will get this JSON decode error. So you just try to validate it using some JSON validator and see if it is in proper format. If you don't know what is the proper format of JSON, I mean, you have to. JSON is actually key and value. So key should be a string in double quotes. Sometimes this will happen if you give single quotes. So verify that you're giving double quotes, and the value can be a lot of things like number, boolean, or it can be another object. So if it is an object, it will have its own key and value, and so on. We can have a nested JSON object. So for a beginner, I mean, you can use a JSON validator, use proper lint, and then save those changes, and then you have to run the same program again. If you're trying to face in getting some other error, try to resolve it, and hopefully at the end you should be able to run the program which you're trying to run. So I think that's all for this video, guys. That's all information I want to share. If you're still facing the issue, you can just mention that in the comment section below, and hopefully I will try to comment on that. Till then, thank you for watching and take care.